This is the NUU X10 5G for 2026. This good-looking smartphone comes with a large 90Hz display, a 50-megapixel main camera, no carrier limits, no switching phones, just seamless 5G connectivity, Android 16, and a 5000 mAh battery. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor and comes with 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. So in this video, I will show you everything you need to know about the NUU X10 5G. Let's get started with the unboxing. The packaging looks clean and premium, with the NUU X10 branding on the front and some of the key specifications printed on the box. Opening it up, you'll find two separate accessory boxes. The first includes a pre-installed screen protector kit with cleaning wipes, along with a very nice black protective case featuring an embossed NUU logo. In the second section, you'll find the NUU X10 5G itself, which we'll set aside for a moment. Underneath are the user manuals and other paperwork, a SIM ejector tool, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable, and a charging adapter. And that's everything included in the box. Everything is neatly organized and securely packed. As for my first impressions, the phone immediately feels premium the moment you pick it up. It has a slim profile, a comfortable in-hand feel, and a sleek design that gives it a more refined look. First, let's talk about the design. The NUU X10 has a clean and modern look, featuring a large display on the front and a multi-camera system on the back. The phone has a slim profile that feels comfortable in the hand, making it easy to carry and use throughout the day. On the side, you'll also find a fingerprint scanner, allowing you to unlock the phone quickly and conveniently without entering a password every time. You can also expand the storage by up to 1 TB using a micro SD card, making it easy to store more photos, videos, and apps. Overall, the NUU X10 offers a practical and stylish design that's well suited for entertainment, communication, social media, and everyday use. On the front, the NUU X10 features a large 6.8-inch HD Plus display, giving you plenty of screen space for watching YouTube videos, browsing social media, reading websites, using maps, playing mobile games, and making video calls. The large display makes content easier to view and provides a more comfortable experience for everyday use. The display also supports a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling, animations, and general navigation feel smoother compared to a standard 60Hz screen. While it uses an HD Plus panel instead of a full HD Plus display, the combination of the large screen size and higher refresh rate still provides a comfortable viewing experience for daily entertainment and communication. Inside, the NUU X10 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, a 2.2 GHz octa-core chipset designed to deliver efficient performance while supporting 5G connectivity. The phone comes with 128GB of internal storage, and you can expand it up to 1 TB using a micro SD card, giving you plenty of space for apps, photos, videos, and other files. It also comes with 4GB of RAM and runs on Android 16, providing a modern Android experience with access to the latest compatible apps and services. The NUU X10 is a 5G smartphone that gives you borderless connectivity with a fully unlocked experience. It works with major carriers including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, allowing you to stay connected wherever you go. Enjoy reliable 5G connectivity from north to south, making your travels more seamless without worrying about switching devices or networks. Battery life is another important feature of this phone. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which provides reliable power for everyday activities like browsing, watching videos, using social media, and staying connected throughout the day. As the name suggests, the NUU X10 supports 5G connectivity. It also features dual-band Wi-Fi with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz support, along with Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC for compatible contactless services and accessories. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera, which is suitable for taking selfies, making video calls, joining online meetings, and creating social media content. On the back, the NUU X10 features a triple camera system with a 50-megapixel autofocus main camera, a 2-megapixel fixed focus camera, an additional VGA camera, and an LED flash. The 50-megapixel main camera is the primary shooter for everyday photography, allowing you to capture photos of people, food, pets, documents, outdoor scenes, and other daily moments. The additional cameras work alongside the main sensor to enhance the camera system. I'm recording this video from X10 from the front camera, which is 8 megapixel. The result looks nice, and this video is in 2K. It also offers 1080p, but it does not show me the FPS, but this is 2K result. I'm walking slowly. The colors looks nice, not bad. And while filming from the front camera, you can also zoom into 2x. Okay, and this is 1x. And I'm not using any external microphone, so the audio comes directly from this phone. Now this is the result from the back camera, which is 50 megapixel. The result looks nice. It's very bright day. It's almost evening, and this is the result. You can see this is 1x, this is 2x, and you can zoom till 4x. Okay, so right now I'm walking slowly. The stabilization looks not bad, and I'm not using any external microphone for recording the video, so the audio comes directly from this phone. And this is the result if you wanted to make some vlogs from this phone.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
So after spending some time with the NUU X10 5G, I think it is a solid choice for users who are looking for a stylish and affordable 5G smartphone. It offers a smooth everyday experience, a large display for entertainment, reliable battery life, and useful features like NFC and expandable storage. For its price range, the X10 5G provides a good balance between performance, design, and daily usability. If you're interested in purchasing it, use my discount code to receive 10% off your order. Get total 5G freedom for just $219.99. And yes, the 15-watt charger, case, and screen protector are all included in the box. I'll leave the purchase link and discount code in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.